Oh,
Yeah, yeah, no. I'm sure they are five. They are group of. They were five. They are having other companies together also, or mining rights together.
oh yes.
So
Yeah, because ngimo asho ukuthi une interest kwi mining.
yeah, somewhere with Rustenburg, Nasebred.
Yeah, why mention a lot le?
Yeah, there is this other guy, igama lakhe bathi uZe. He's also staying in Sandton. He's a Zulu guy, the tall one.
Yes.
And then he's close to Malema. So Malema is close to Uspi. So that is how this thing goes, to say whatsoever. What. So ngiyazi noma athi nize lapho ufuna ukungibuza ukuthi ya uthumile manje kwenzakalani whatsoever, so that naye ngiyazi ukuthi akayifuneli ukuthi ayise lapha ku-Nascom.
Yes.
This other side. So sizothini is how we live, but as long as we are safe.
Yes.
So mina bengicabanga ukuthi maybe it's links to amateksi, but ngathi abantu kumateksi baphuma umuntu asele ayilaphana ayenza i-problem uJoe plus nalapho ma-extortions is there, these boys bakhe bafanas and what. But ngizibuza to okay, so ngithi hayi general nikeza isikhathi, I will give you feedback later, or else if you are in a hurry you can phone ukhumala ukusendela i-report mina.
Yes.
But ngathi ngabona ukuthi ungathi ngikhulumi umphendule kabi ngathi yeah, nami ngilapha ngoba ngendaba yakhe, so ngibuyise ngibuye kancane ngoba ezinye izinto zisuka nami zingicasula.
Yes.
That is why even the last thing angibiza ngathi u-crime intelligence ayenze whatever, because we cannot let this thing get to us in a manner which the people who are doing the work, they become vulnerable. No.
Yes.
Yeah, so always ungathi nathi sifuthi kuyalapha nami bengishosholoza ngigijimiswa lapha ngihamba ngema-TRP nema-WhatsApp.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
The big bombshell. General Shibiri, Julius Malema, and the SAPS